All right, so I'm in the shop today working on the 91 Vert, just some odds and ends. I had a little bit of free time here on a Sunday, and I walk past the front passenger corner of this car, and it dawns on me that I've had this issue that needs to be tended to since I got the car. However, it keeps slipping my mind. So I thought I'd jump on here, give some of the newer folks to the Foxbody community a little bit of a tech tip on how to fix this, because this is a very common issue with these cars that nobody really talks about. I think it's just because it's so easy to fix and it's free. You can do it in literally under 2 minutes. Like, as much time as it takes you to get under your car, you can have this fixed. All right, so here's the culprit. You notice how this body molding can be pushed into the paint? It's not tucked in nice and tight. Now, a lot of people new to the community that don't really understand how these are mounted think, oh my God, I gotta go get the heat gun, I gotta get some 3M tape, I gotta pull this whole thing off of here. I'm gonna be out in the driveway for a couple hours. That is not the case. Forget all of that, okay? Now, obviously this is a GT car with the lower valance and everything, but this body molding is the exact same on an LX. It's just missing this bottom section, okay? So this applies to both LX and GT cars. Okay, next steps, get under your car. Now, I'm on the hoist, but obviously jack your car up however you're gonna do this. And then we gotta come up on the back side of that fender to get at these body molding nuts. Now, I'm gonna try and get you up in here and show you. See those 3 nuts? That's what holds that body molding in place. And they're an 11/32 socket. So I got that here. What we're gonna do is get on the back side of those and cinch them down. Okay, final verdict. Not bad, right? Now, as I get closer, you can see here, like, this car has been resprayed. I think a lot of you folks watching this know that, but I don't know what they were doing. Like, behind this molding should be the strawberry red, but for whatever reason, yeah, this car tells some interesting stories, as they all do, right, when you get working on them. But the point of the matter is, this body molding now is more or less flush. It could probably use a little bit of a heat gun and maybe another little piece of 3M tape if a person wanted to be really picky, but this is a night and day difference, right? Definitely gonna be good from 10 feet. I hope this video helped you out, folks. If it did, please feel free to check out the rest of my videos right here. I've got all kinds of how-tos on little tips and tricks for these old Foxbody Mustangs. Also, if it helped you, please feel free to share this along to the rest of the Foxbody community. This community means a ton to me. I love being a part of it and helping everyone out as much as I can within it. So from the bottom of my heart, if you wouldn't mind doing that, I'd really, really appreciate it. So thanks for tagging along, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.